As a key component of our desire to be a great place to work in London Energy, we wish to become a values-led company. So clearly defining those core values was a very important exercise for us. It was decided these couldn't be top-down, they had to come from within the company in a bottom-up way. Force 4, through a series of questionnaires and workshops across the company, helped us understand what the staff felt was important to them as individuals, what their values were as individuals, and then to map that across to what that meant for the company they worked for. And this work was the bedrock and the foundation of the core values we subsequently developed for the company. Be safe, have trust, and own it.